I was wearing the Creme Shop eggnog mask. It's the anti-aging eggnog, and my skin is like soaking it up. It was soaking wet when I first put it on, but it's already like kind of drying out, so I was going to take it off. So I'm rubbing in that mask. I actually did Super Mud first, and then I did this mask, and my skin feels so good. I was having like some texture and pores and things, so I knew my Super Mud would help, and this is a travesty. So I've got like a bag of empty products going right here. It was this tiny tube of Super Mud that I've been like literally cut open so I could scrape it out. I should get my FabFitFun in a few days, and I did an add-on for the full size of that mask because I love it. So yeah, my skin's looking really nice right now, or at least I think it is, but it feels so much better. This is the Galaxy Balm. It's Black Amber, and these are from Da Balm. You can find these at, I think they're at Target and Ulta. I've always just gotten mine at Target if I don't have any Lush or anything. And right now I'm completely out of Lush. I usually keep them in that glass jar. Nope, I don't have any. So I was gonna dump this in and, oh, hello. I don't know that oh, there it goes. I don't know that I 100% love the scent in that one, but we're gonna go with it because it's the only bath bomb I have. Ooh, it's smoky. It looks kind of brown on the camera, but it looks more gray in person. Ooh. So yeah, that's what I'm about to take a bath in. Hey guys, it's now, Tuesday morning, and I've just woken up. I'm about to have some coffee. My cup's over there. My little qualified to party. But I'm about to basically take down these shelves or not take them down. I'm going to remove everything from these shelves and get ready to move this into the living room because I have bought a kind of like a dresser type deal that I'm going to use in here for extra storage to sit basically where that is and kind of be a little, I don't know, like permanent type of background thing. I'm not loving the backdrops, and I had a couple comments kind of saying the same thing, just kind of nicely saying like it was distracting, or I don't know, they didn't like it as much as just like my normal background, which was this. So I don't know, I'm questioning my decision right now if I want to go ahead and do this. I already ordered the dresser, so I'm definitely going to feel like trying it out, and I have an idea of what it's supposed to look like or what I want it to look like, but it's definitely going to take some work kind of getting everything off. And now I'm realizing too, like all of this has to go somewhere. Some of this is just like fill in, like stuff that I didn't really want, but I just wanted to kind of fill them and make them look a little fuller. So some of it I'm not going to mind moving, and it just is going to be a matter of kind of repurposing and re-evaluating where I want things to go. And this shelf down here, I've got a donut pillow and a squishy, which is cute, but it's just kind of taking up space. A lot of those in that far cube with the cup and brushes, I just stood there to look like books, but I didn't ever really love it. This space never really looked 100% how I wanted to look. It kind of like went there a little bit and then went away. So we're going to use this in the living room for books, Blu-rays. I have a ton of books that are actually in my bathroom linen closet because I wanted them out of the way, but I think it's going to work better. So I'll show you guys some progress in a little while. I don't know why I've been talking for like 4 minutes. But yeah, I'm going to work on this and we'll see. Maybe it'll turn out nice. Maybe I will eventually move that dresser into the bedroom and move this back here. Who knows? But let's get started. Hey buddy, what are you doing? Hi. Yeah? Yeah, hey guys, it's still Tuesday. Oh, big yawn. And I got this little picket. I got this little package from Benefit. I got it actually from work. It's gratis, but we were able to like custom pick our colors and things like that. So I got the Gimme Brow Plus. I got shade 4. I also got their Real Mascara. We had a choice of all of their different mascaras, but this one tends to be my favorite, and I have one that's about dry, so I picked that one. And then we also got their Brow Contour Pro, which is a little like clicky pen. So if you guys want to see that in a video, let me know. I'm definitely curious to try it out. Hey buddy, you doing good? And I'm currently editing a video right now, chilling with the Minners. In a little while, I'm gonna eat some dinner, and I was gonna show you guys my progress. So I got my shelving unit moved into the living room, and that's what it looks like. So I've got a ton of books. We put all the Blu-rays out and like movie show sets or whatever, but this is what it's looking like. And a while back, I had a bunch of DVDs. I decided to organize them and make them really small and portable. So this is a bunch of DVDs, and here all of like the older ones that I've had forever. I did this years ago. I went to Walmart and bought a bunch of these sleeves. The Devil Wears Prada. What is this? How I Met Your Mother. House. Ooh. Twilight. So yeah, I just thought I'd show you that. It's kind of funky. I put them in a different box now, and then this box just has some highlighters in there. So yeah, I'm really basic when it comes to my book collection of ones that I actually have physical books of. So I've got all the Hunger Games, I've got all the Game of Thrones. These are all the books that True Blood is based off of. Of course, I got all the Twilight, 50 Shades. I'm like the most basic when it comes to books. So yeah, but that's what it's looking like. We got a little bit of space to grow too, and I don't know, I might move it around. I'm also burning cinnamon caramel swirl. Ooh. It smells so good, and this is one of my holiday packagings that I really like. I think I have a backup of this, so we're just kind of using this one up. It smells amazing. So I'll talk to you guys in a little bit and show you my progress in my vanity. Hey guys, it's Sunday night. I'm burning the last bit of this candle. I haven't vlogged very much, but we're gonna go in here into my bathroom. I wanted to show you guys what I'm using right now. I just kind of updated my skincare routine a bit. So I just washed my face. I removed my makeup with the Lancome Meal and Mousse. Love that one. I'm so sad I'm gonna run out. And then I used Fresh Soy Face Cleanser as my cleansing step. Now I'm going to go in with the Murad Hydrating Toner. I am going to follow that with some, I'm trying to use up some of these minis because I have so much that like I can't even use them for travel because I have so much. So I've got the Retinol Youth Renewal Serum. I've got the Retinol Youth Renewal Eye Serum. I've got the Biosense Squalene and Peptide Eye Gel, which I'm going to use. And then I'm also going to use this Caudalie Resveratrol. So this is actually like the routine I'm gonna do. So I like to do serums and then creams, and I like to go in, if I use 2 eye products, I'm gonna use the serum first, obviously. So toner, eye serum, face serum, eye gel, moisturizer. So I'm about to do all of this, and then I'll show you what my skin's looking like. All right, so here's my skin. I put on all my products, my serums and moisturizers. I'm looking a little red where I've basically gone in and kind of like massaged my skin, and then I'm gonna top it off with Clinique Moisture Surge. I love this as like a last step. It just adds that really nice drink of water to the skin, and you can never go wrong. Oily, dry, sensitive. I just love this product. So I'm gonna put some of this on. And speaking of skincare, I got my FabFitFun, my fall box. I'm probably gonna film a video possibly tomorrow before work and unbox that for you. But I actually did 2 add-ons because I just could not pass up the deal. So they had the Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment. If you're a member, you could do this as an add-on for only $19. That full size is $59. That's insane. And I just got the huge one in my gratis. So I am stocked up on Super Mud. Again, my favorite mask. And then I also got the Glam Glow Water Burst Moisturizer. So I thought of this as more of like a daytime. If I wanted to spend some time in the morning kind of pampering my skin a bit, I could do my treatment and follow with this moisturizer for daytime. And then I got my box, of course. And this one was only $14 as an add-on. And I can't remember the price point, but it's definitely an amazing deal in comparison. And then yesterday I wanted to support our It Cosmetics event at work. So I bought a couple of favorites. Bye Bye Makeup is by far one of my favorite makeup removers. Between that and the Lancome Mill and Mousse, I believe those are probably my two all-time favorites. This one's a balm where the other is kind of like an oil moussey kind of consistency. This one I love so much. I went through the entire jar and then I did pretty quickly. I mean, it still lasted me a few months, but I was using it daily. And then I also got the Confidence and a cleanser. I feel like if you are more on the dry side, you would love this. I tried it out on my hand and my hand just felt so soft afterwards, but also clean. But it's just one of those, it left my skin feeling super hydrated even after just cleansing, which I love. So I got those. So if you're a really big Office fan, you might remember this reference, but I call him Mykonos. So yeah, it's another Yummy World plush. This one is an XL, and this was on sale on ThinkGeek for only $10, and I couldn't pass them up. If you watched my last vlog, I got a bunch of them and I was so in love. And then I saw this one on sale. I was like, oh my god. And these are originally like $30. So I got it for just $10, so I thought that was reasonable, but he's a big cup of coffee and I couldn't deal, so I ordered him. And yeah, tonight I'm going to relax. I go in tomorrow in the afternoon and I close. But before I end, I do want to show you guys my progress on my little vanity room. Hi, Bean. Mary. Hi. Yes. Oh, look at that. Oh, okay. So I'm making some progress, but I'm still working on it. So I moved some things around. So I've got this here. I've got my little bench, which I've just got some blankets on. So I need to put something on the wall. Definitely in this spot, possibly something over there as well. And then I moved my desk in front of my window. And I think what I'm going to do, because the cats love to look out the window, is maybe get like a storage ottoman or two. I might put one on either side. I think I'm going to move the desk just this way a little bit and then put a storage ottoman on either side. That way I got a little space to put some things in, whether it be blankets or whatnot, and then they'll have some places to sit. These two drawer sets, the silver clear like storage drawers, I think I'm going to stick in that corner. So you really won't be able to see it that much, but I've got some extra storage. And I'm working on this. I'm trying to find like what I really want to go in here, but this is going to be more for like cute display stuff. And then I started putting some storage, but these drawers I can't put like a ton. This is more of like a dresser, so I put some palettes in here. I don't think I put like basically just some palettes, things that I want to be able to just open up and see. And I've still got a lot of room to grow. This is all like my Too Faced holiday sets in there because those are pretty big. And these are my hair extensions. I need to just take these products out of this thing. I just haven't done that yet. And then I've got like Wet n Wild. I've got some drugstore boxes. This has got like some miscellaneous like stuff in it. I will eventually be getting rid of some of this, but I just kind of stuck it in there for now. And then yeah, I've kind of got things piled on the floor because I wanted to just be able to see things and just pull from wherever and like put it where I want it to be. So yeah, everything's kind of a mess right now, but I'm working on it. It's definitely getting better. So thank you guys for watching this vlog. I know this one was not that great. Next weekend I am off for 3 days, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So that's going to be my big vlog time. I probably won't vlog a ton Monday through Thursday because I'm going to be working every single day. I'll probably get a few little snippets, and then Friday we're going to go do some shopping. I'm going to do some like fall shopping and also pick out a dress for a wedding, and then Zach needs to get like some polos or something, so we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna go to a drive-in. So I'm gonna show you guys that. I'll take you with me and show you like the little place that we're going. It's a really cute little place, and it's like out almost, it feels like it's in the middle of nowhere, so but it's this really cool place, so I'll show you and it'll be better. So thank you for sticking with me through this one, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.